And I would also tell people to believe in themselves and not be scared of not getting what you want. Like a lot of times we don't try things because we're scared of failing.
Correct.
I thought I would not be able to do Asians. I was not going to participate, in fact. And today I tried. You know, that one thought, that dream that I had, I went for it and I got the goal. So.
आज मेरे साथ एक ऐसी लड़की है जिसके सपने भी डबल हैं। एक तरफ बुक्स तो दूसरी तरफ स्केट्स। इंडिया के लिए गोल्ड जीता है जूनियर गर्ल्स सोलो डांस कैटेगरी में एट द 20th एशियन रोलर स्केटिंग चैंपियनशिप इन कोरिया। और ये पहली इंडियन जूनियर स्केटर है जिन्होंने ये हिस्टोरिक विन किया है फॉर अस, फॉर इंडिया। ऑलरेडी शी हैज 9 नेशनल गोल्स, 28 स्टेट गोल्स और अब एक इंटरनेशनल गोल्ड भी। और स्कूल में मेरे से 98.6%। 10th में मिला उसको। डॉक्टर बनना चाहती है लेकिन स्केट्स कभी नहीं उतारेंगी। लेट्स वेलकम द सुपर टैलेंटेड, सुपर फोकस्ड, सुपर गर्ल नायशा। नायशा, पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस।
थैंक यू।
क्या कर दिया यार तुमने, हम सबको कितना प्राउड कर दिया पता है।
थैंक यू।
टेल मी समथिंग, हाउ वाज द फीलिंग व्हेन योर नेम वाज अनाउंस्ड?
It was the coolest feeling ever because since I was 9 years old, I wanted this. So it was like a dream, and the national anthem playing was worth it.
Did you cry?
No, I didn't cry, but I was jumping on the inside.
Oh my God, don't you feel that being an athlete, ये एक ही फीलिंग है जिसके लिए हम लोग मरते हैं?
Yeah.
हाँ ना?
In fact, ended में तो like the last few days were really bad because every day we would wear our skates and we would look at each other and we would be like, आज नहीं पहनना है skate, आज बस करो, अरे because we were so tired every day at 4 o'clock we had to get up and wear skates and we were so done towards the end.
Okay.
And then when we got the medal, it was worth it.
I know, I'm sure. So many people don't know about your craft, right? I mean, I did not know till I met you. So I want you to tell my audience, what do you actually do?
So I think the best way to explain it is it's like dancing on skates.
Okay.
And we have lots of elements
Huh.
which we have to do. So yeah, but basically it's dance on skates, and unless you see a video, you will not understand what it is because it's not popular in India.
You know what? I'm just going to cut to a video of yours, the performance that got you the gold.
Okay.
I'm just going to cut for my audience here for them to see what Naisha does. Take a look. Okay, Naisha, आपका performance देखा. We have seen it live also, so we were very proud of it. International stage पे जब आप जाती हो and आगे भी जाओगी, I'm pretty sure. Do you think the training in India is enough for you to, represent India in bigger forums?
So no, because artistic skating is not very popular in India. So the place where it's most popular is Italy.
Mm.
So normally most of our skaters go to Italy for training before we go for international. I have not gone yet.
Okay.
I hope and I plan to go in the future. And we also in Mumbai specifically, we don't have rinks.
Okay.
We don't have wooden floors.
Really?
Yeah. Like the badminton and the tennis ones, they don't allow us to use them
Okay.
yet. So, and in the international rinks are all wooden. So we find it very difficult to practice.
Oh. Okay, so we can make that one request to the government, right?
Yeah.
All right. So देख रहे हो आप लोग क्या हो रहा है? She's getting gold for you. I think you deserve one nice ring. That's all, right? Okay. इंटरेस्टिंग चीज ये था कि आपने हिस्ट्री क्रिएट किया है 20 years के बाद इंडिया के लिए आपने गोल्ड लाया विच इज अ बिग अचीवमेंट बट मैंने ये भी सुना है कि यू एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली आई थिंक एवरीवन शुड नो दैट यू आर अ वेजिटेरियन
Yeah.
करेक्ट कोरिया में कितना मजा है
So the food was not so much to our liking. मतलब India में what we get
हाँ.
is not what we get internationally.
करेक्ट
And vegetarians have very less options. So
या
it was bad.
I have gone to Korea once and I had a vegetarian friend along with me. So we won one award for one of the biggest horror film festivals. And he, poor thing, did not eat non-veg. So whatever fruits we could get for him every day, एक टाइम के बाद थक जाता ना इंसान कितना फल खाएगा तुमने भी खाया होगा बहुत सारा फल
हाँ.
हाँ ना so one day we went for a dinner and everything that came was non-veg and non-veg मतलब वो तुमने देखा है कि नहीं पता नहीं बट वो अलग अलग किस्म के snails starfish वो कुछ भी आ रहा I felt so bad because he's not able to eat and I said can you get me something vegetarian guess what he got us rice with one pudina
Oh my God.
that's all and I was like shit poor thing यार ये खाएगा बेचारा पूरा दिन में but I understand that going abroad and participating in so many activities and food becomes difficult, right?
Yeah.
Are you always prepared with food?
No. So I being Gujju, we carry theplas.
Okay.
That was how I survived over there. But we have a problem, and we have more of a problem because we have to follow our diet
Yeah,
during the competition. So
correct.
that is the main.
Who makes the theplas for you?
My mama and daddy.
So sweet. They give you actually theplas, then we carry them.
Yeah, we carry them. We vacuum pack them and we carry them.
Oh, how nice. चलो, I'll move to the next question. ज़्यादातर आपके एज के जो लोग होते हैं, who are aspiring to be somebody one day, they have a, celebrity that they follow, or some influencer that they follow. Who is it that you follow?
So for skating, we have a girl skate. The girl's current on top girl is Roberta Sasso. So I hope that I can be like her in skating.
Oh, that's very interesting. I think
Yeah,
we should get one clip of Robot.
Roberta Sasso.
All right. Let's see one clip of this wonderful girl. Are you active in social media?
Not so much, but now and then.
Do you like spending time on social media?
Yeah, to some extent. But right now I'm not supposed to because I'm in 12th grade and I'm focusing on NEET.
Okay, okay. If there's an opportunity for you, one day you get 1 minute to talk to the whole world, what will that topic be and who would you like to speak to?
Okay, so being a skater in Maharashtra, I would ask for more wooden rings in Maharashtra because we want so in our international platform we use wooden rings and over here we don't get those. The only rings we have are the open rings and they're outdoor. So मतलब जब भी बारिश आती है तो we can't skate only.
Correct.
So we're in and during the last few months it's very necessary for us to skate every day, do our routine 5 times every day. And kabhi if we don't get then full stamina gone, it's bad. So
Okay.
that I think I would like to talk about that. And I would also tell people to believe in themselves and not be scared of not getting what you want. Like a lot of times we don't try things because we're scared of failing.
Correct.
And I was also, I thought I would not be able to do Asians. I was not going to participate, in fact. And today I tried. You know, that one thought, that dream that I had, I went for it and I got the goal. So that I would like to tell people.
Superb. I think it's a well defined 230 seconds that you'll speak to the whole world. And yes, please, wooden ring. ज़्यादा कुछ जाएगा नहीं सर, गोल्ड ला रहे आप तो. अच्छा, interesting question to you. I heard that you got 98.6% in your 10th.
Yeah.
And I heard that you were not happy about it.
Yeah.
ये क्या है यार? चाहते क्या हो? 100?
So I was expecting at least 99. So I was very sad. My sister, I remember my sister came with a big cake and everything. And my full family was so happy when they heard the score. And I was locked in the bathroom and I was crying. And my sister was like, "What is wrong with you?"
Unbelievable. Wow. So what is it that you want to pivot to? I heard that you want to take up medicines.
Yes. Right now I'm studying for my NEET. I'm in my 12th grade right now. Which is why, like I said, I wasn't sure if I wanted to go for Asians because everyone was telling me no to focus on the studies.
Huh.
But then I went for it.
Huh.
And now I want to give NEET and then do medical.
Okay, skating in the future, wise or otherwise decision for you?
I think wise because I got here. I got so far. I mean, and it has given me a lot of confidence in myself,
All right.
which I did not have otherwise. I was always a bookworm, so not a lot of confidence. So skating has helped with that.
So in your future, taking up medicines, keeping in mind that somewhere down the line you'll have to sacrifice one thing, and then you take it up after a couple of years or something like that. Taking up medicine, wise or otherwise.
It is wise. I've always wanted to be a doctor.
Really?
Yeah. Since I was like in 3rd grade, I wanted to be a doctor. I wanted to save lives. And I think doctors are very cool. Like the suit and this thing is very cool.
You want to be what kind of a doctor?
So I wanted to be a cardiac surgeon, but all the teachers till now they've said that you should study for 5.5 years and then decide what you want to do because you don't know what you're signing up for.
Oh, lovely, lovely. So you are a powerhouse in short, right? I like this confidence. कैसा हाँ भी बोल दिया ना तूने? I love it. This is how it should be. You know, today, just by being here and talking to me, you have no idea how many lives will you touch. So just to make this go a little more viral, think of something that will take this particular podcast to many people.
I don't know. Probably if I did my traveling or if you put a video of me doing the traveling, that would be really cool.
Yeah, with a very, very cool music to it, right? One of the trending music. Guys, just put one of those, what is it called? Traveling shots and put a very, very trending music, and that can actually go viral. I'm sure it will.
Yeah.
Okay, Naisha, the powerhouse, thank you for coming here, making us all so proud. We Indians are proud of you. Okay. I want to give you a hamper, but I thought let's just utilize that money for something else.
Okay.
What we have done is we have bought some groceries. Okay.
Yeah.
With the monies that we were supposed to spend for you, we bought groceries and we're going to give it to somebody who really needs it. I don't mean to say that, there are, people who can't get their own livelihood. But life becomes tough for a few people,
Yeah.
right? In our industry also, you will see some spot boys, you'll see some rickshawalas. It's not that they can't earn the money, but when you give them a little support, they really feel good about it, right? So we're just going to take one signature wherein you're going to write something for that one person who's going to get this hamper,
Okay.
and we'll give it to him and we'll share the video with you.
Yeah.
Sounds good?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Thank you again for coming, and let's sign that.
धन्यवाद इन्हें हमको आपने जो भेजा वो मिला